Hey guys! In today's video, we're going to talk about how anyone can make big money with Bitcoin, even as a complete beginner. So I get asked this question very often. Can you still make money with Bitcoin? Well, even after a decade of fluctuations and the unidentified Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin still tops the chart. To be more precise, Bitcoin is the world's largest cryptocurrency. So, the answer is a big yes, Bitcoin is a way to make money. As now you seem sure-footed, the next default question is, how do you make money with Bitcoin? There is a long list of options, the most popular being Bitcoin mining, trading, investing, affiliate earnings, and micro earnings. Nevertheless, there is no one fit for all method of making money with Bitcoin. The amount of money you will generate depends on your risk appetite and the method you choose. This post will discuss 7 of the best ways to make money with Bitcoin. Whether you are an institutional investor or a complete crypto beginner, this article has you covered. We have some bonus methods too, so stick with me to the end of this video. So how do you make money with Bitcoin? Here are the best 7 ways of learning how to earn Bitcoins. Method 1, trading. Trading Bitcoin for banking profits is one of the most popular answers to, how do you make money with Bitcoin? Bitcoin trading is by far the most reliable and basic way to earn money with Bitcoin. The only thing buyers need to remember is that they need to gather adequate facts about Bitcoin, such as news and market movements, to make the best choices. After that, you must choose the appropriate forum or Bitcoin exchange to begin trading. To begin, you must purchase Bitcoin at a low price from a reputable website or exchange. After that, you will wait until the right moment to market them at a higher profit. Bitcoin holders benefit from margins in the same way. Get started with YuanPay Group, which is among the strongest trading sites since it provides superior support. If you have a knack in analyzing trading charts and you are ready to take risks, this option is for you. Sign up to ZipMex and exchange your local currency for the digital currency, BTC. Now, you have to wear a crypto trader's cap. As soon as you see the best profit spike, trade your Bitcoins and enjoy the gain. The icing on the cake is Bitcoin trading is available 24/7 so that you can trade at your convenience, obviously when profits soar high. Method 2, investing. Investing in Bitcoins is holding BTC until the iron becomes hot. HODL, hold on for dear life, is the crypto lingo for long-term investments. If you believe in the positive future of Bitcoin and are sure of its price surge, you must opt for investing. However, HODL investment must not be tied with fancy expectations. You must know when is the right time to sell. If you are eyeing long-term investments, you must keep your Bitcoins in a hardware wallet. Are there some different options apart from buying Bitcoin and then selling it kind of investments? Yes, you can also make money with Bitcoin by investing in startups, companies, blockchain development, etc. These are research-intensive investments. You have to gauge the potential of a startup by analyzing white papers, expert opinions, market demand, and whatnot. However, if you get this investment right, you will not just make some dollars with BTC. Instead, you might hit a treasure chest. The downside of investing is you have to hop between different exchanges to find the right investment opportunities. To your relief, ZipMex offers a wide range of investment options. No need to hop between exchanges, you find the top cryptocurrencies under one roof. Method 3, mining. The next big way to make money from Bitcoin in the present year has arrived. Bitcoin investors need to understand the mining method and then begin executing it to increase their odds of earning profits. It is a method of using high-powered machines to solve problems or do calculations. They produce a Bitcoin after they solve the computational math problems. Miners who crack the puzzle easily are awarded cash or other bonuses. There are hundreds of faucet websites available from which people can make money. To make a profit or Bitcoin and the type of points, they must select the best Bitcoin faucet website and perform all of the given tasks on a daily basis. Small polls, pay-to-click, CAPTCHA, and various other tasks are among the tasks offered by these faucet websites. So, these are some of the forms in which someone will make money using Bitcoin. Apart from that, there are several other avenues that people may gain by doing any online studies. Bitcoin mining is the process by which new Bitcoins are entered into circulation, but it is also a critical component of the maintenance and development of a blockchain ledger. It is performed using very sophisticated computers that solve extremely complex computational math problems. Cryptocurrency mining is painstaking, costly, and only sporadically rewarding. Nonetheless, mining has a magnetic appeal for many investors interested in cryptocurrency because of the fact that miners are rewarded for their work with crypto tokens. This may be because entrepreneurial types see mining as pennies from heaven, like California gold prospectors in 1849. And if you are technologically inclined, why not do it? However, before you invest the time and equipment, Read this explainer to see whether mining is really for you. We will focus primarily on Bitcoin. Throughout, we'll use Bitcoin when referring to the network or the cryptocurrency as a concept, and Bitcoin when we're referring to a number of individual tokens. The primary draw for many mining is the prospect of being rewarded with Bitcoin. That said, you certainly don't have to be a miner to own cryptocurrency tokens. You can also buy cryptocurrencies using fiat currency. You can trade it on an exchange like Bitstamp using another crypto. As an example, using Ethereum or Neo to buy Bitcoin. You even can earn it by shopping, publishing blog posts on platforms that pay users in cryptocurrency, or even set up interest-earning crypto accounts. An example of a crypto blog platform is Steemit, which is kind of like Medium except that users can reward bloggers by paying them in a proprietary cryptocurrency called Steem. Steem can then be traded elsewhere for Bitcoin. The Bitcoin reward that miners receive is an incentive that motivates people to assist in the primary purpose of mining, to legitimize and monitor Bitcoin transactions, ensuring their validity. Because these responsibilities are spread among many users all over the world, Bitcoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency or one that does not rely on any central authority like a central bank or government to oversee its regulation. So how do you mine Bitcoins? Miners are getting paid for their work as auditors. They are doing the work of verifying the legitimacy of Bitcoin transactions. This convention is meant to keep Bitcoin users honest and was conceived by Bitcoin's founder, Satoshi Nakamoto. By verifying transactions, miners are helping to prevent the double spending problem. Double spending is a scenario in which a Bitcoin owner illicitly spends the same Bitcoin twice. With physical currency, this isn't an issue. Once you hand someone a $20 bill to buy a bottle of vodka, you no longer have it, so there's no danger you could use that same $20 bill to buy lotto tickets next door. While there is the possibility of counterfeit cash being made, it is not exactly the same as literally spending the same dollar twice. With digital currency, however, as the Investopedia dictionary explains, there is a risk that the holder could make a copy of the digital token and send it to a merchant or another party while retaining the original. Let's say you had one legitimate $20 bill and one counterfeit of that same $20. If you were to try to spend both the real bill and the fake one, someone that took the trouble of looking at both of the bill's serial numbers would see that they were the same number, and thus one of them had to be false. What a Bitcoin miner does is analogous to that. They check transactions to make sure that users have not illegitimately tried to spend the same Bitcoin twice. This isn't a perfect analogy, we'll explain in more detail below. Once miners have verified 1 megabyte worth of Bitcoin transactions, known as a block, those miners are eligible to be rewarded with a number of Bitcoins. More about the Bitcoin reward below as well. The 1 megabyte limit was set by Satoshi Nakamoto, and is a matter of controversy, as some miners believe the block size should be increased to accommodate more data, which would effectively mean that the Bitcoin network could process and verify transactions more quickly. Note that verifying 1 megabyte worth of transactions makes a coin miner eligible to earn Bitcoin. Not everyone who verifies transactions will get paid out. 1 megabyte of transactions can theoretically be as small as one transaction, though this is not at all common, or several thousand. It depends on how much data the transactions take up. So after all that work of verifying transactions, I might still not get any Bitcoin for it? That is correct. To earn Bitcoins, you need to meet two conditions. One is a matter of effort. One is a matter of luck. You have to verify 1 megabyte worth of transactions. This is the easy part. You have to be the first miner to arrive at the right answer, or closest answer, to a numeric problem. This process is also known as proof of work. Bitcoin mining can still make sense and be profitable for some individuals. Equipment is more easily obtained, although competitive ASICs cost anywhere from a few $100s up to about $10,000. In an effort to stay competitive, some machines have adapted. For example, some hardware allows users to alter settings to lower energy requirements, thus lowering overall costs. Prospective miners should perform a cost-benefit analysis to understand their break-even price before making the fixed cost purchases of the equipment. The variables needed to make this calculation are: cost of power, what is your electricity rate? Keep in mind that rates change depending on the season, the time of day, and other factors. You can find this information on your electric bill, measured in kWh. Efficiency, how much power does your system consume, measured in watts. Time, what is the anticipated length of time you will spend mining? Bitcoin value, what is the value of a Bitcoin in US dollars or another official currency? There are several web-based profitability calculators, such as the one provided by CryptoCompare, that would-be miners can use to analyze the cost-benefit equation of Bitcoin mining. Profitability calculators differ slightly, and some are more complex than others. To answer the question of whether Bitcoin mining is still profitable, Use a web-based profitability calculator to run a cost-benefit analysis. You can plug in different numbers and find your break-even point, the point after which mining is profitable. Determine if you are willing to lay out the necessary initial capital for the hardware and estimate the future value of Bitcoins as well as the level of difficulty. When both Bitcoin prices and mining difficulty decline, it usually indicates fewer miners and more ease of receiving Bitcoins. When Bitcoin prices and mining difficulty rise, expect the opposite, more miners competing for fewer Bitcoins. Method 4, Micro-earnings. As the name suggests, micro-earnings will not yield a fortune. However, it is a decent way to make a profit if you know what you're doing. If you do not hit the skip ad button, micro-earnings will seem appealing to you. Pay-to-click, PTC, websites like BTC4Ads, CoinAdder will pay you in Bitcoins to watch ads. Other micro-jobs include watching YouTube videos or completing online surveys. BitcoinJ is one of the leading micro-jobs websites. Micro-earnings sites reward you with very tiny amounts of Bitcoins, which are also called Satoshis. To put things in perspective, 1 Satoshi is equivalent to 100 millionth of a Bitcoin. Thus, watching an hour-long ad will earn you anywhere between 4 US cents to 5 US cents. If you want to earn some easy money while killing your free time, micro-earnings faucets are the go-to place. Bonus method. This method could be against the terms of service of the ad program, so make sure you read their toes before attempting this. You could invest in some low-cost Android phones and have them run on your Wi-Fi 24 hours a day. The ads will continuously play, while you rack up earnings. Before taking a crack at this, be sure to look into the initial costs of the phones, the electricity to keep them powered, and the automation required to run them. If the numbers make sense, you could earn a nice little side income. Method 5, accepting Bitcoin as a payment option. You can earn money with BTC by accepting it as a payment option. Be it a small vendor or behemoths like Starbucks, everyone is embracing Bitcoin as their payment option. So, if you are a seller or planning to be one, it would be wise to integrate Bitcoin into your payment ecosystem. Accepting Bitcoin as your payment option opens the world for you. You can accept payments from every corner of the world, and that too with lightning speed. You don't need to depend on third-party services for processing your payments. All you need is a Bitcoin wallet. It could be a new one or an existing Bitcoin wallet you own. Also, to avoid losses, set your prices, keeping the Bitcoin volatility in mind. Method 6, lending. Instead of making money with Bitcoin, why not let Bitcoin make money for you? If you're a crypto investor, crypto lending can provide you with immediate returns, and you don't even have to sell any coins. At the time of writing, cryptocurrency exchange KuCoin is offering annual percentage rates, APYs, of over 25% if you're willing to lend out your crypto. Is it too good to be true? The best high-yield savings accounts pay significantly less interest, and crypto lending is certainly a riskier way to hold your savings. When it comes to crypto, returns are not guaranteed. Here's what you need to know. By lending Bitcoins to other people, you can earn interest on your Bitcoins. Holding Bitcoins will not make any money. Instead, if you lend them to someone, your Bitcoins will earn for you. This is indeed better than holding Bitcoins, as holding could prove no less of a gamble. You would not want to lose your Bitcoins, would you? To avoid spam, trust your Bitcoins with a credible lending platform. Unchained Capital, Bitbond, and BTCOP are amongst the trusted lend and borrow platforms. These platforms offer interests of up to 15%. Be a smart earner and let your Bitcoin make some extra for you. You can also sign up to earn on ZipMex and get 6% on your BTC. Not all cryptocurrency exchanges let you lend out your crypto. Each exchange is different, and interest rates can vary greatly depending on the type of loan or the coin you loan out. Exchanges offer two main types of loans, fixed and flexible. Fixed. Think of fixed lending like a bank CD. It locks in your deposit at a predetermined rate for a set period of time, typically 7 to 90 days. The reward for not touching your crypto is it pays higher interest. Flexible. Flexible lending is more like a savings account. You can withdraw your crypto at any time, but the return rates are lower. For example, Gemini Earn is a flexible lending provider. It pays a daily APR, so you can earn compound interest on your coins. The platform partners with accredited third-party borrowers, and you can redeem your coins at any time. Binance, the largest crypto exchange by volume, offers several investment products internationally through Binance Earn, for both fixed and flexible lending. Unfortunately, this is not currently available in the US. Then there are exchanges like KuCoin that provide a marketplace for peer-to-peer lending. Users can either set their own fixed lending rates or lend at the current market rate. With an exchange, it's important to know your funds are safe and secure. Not all exchanges follow the same compliance guidelines set by US regulators, key among them the Know Your Customer, KYC, rules that verify customers' identities and curtail criminal activity. US-based customers may risk getting their accounts shut down on exchanges that do not comply with KYC rules. Method 7. Become an affiliate. It's time to leverage your social media followers and earn. By being an affiliate to a cryptocurrency company, you can make large sums of money. You have to sign up for a cryptocurrency affiliate program and promote their products for a commission. You will be receiving commissions depending on the customers you create for that particular company. The affiliate programs will provide you with a specialized affiliate link. This will track your performance. For every customer buying, signing, depending on the program, through your link, you will receive a decent commission. If you have a good network and can convince people, you can earn a fortune with the affiliate programs by telling people how to earn a Bitcoin. All you need to do is share the link on your social media handles and websites while promoting the product. Also, it is necessary to sign up with a reputed affiliate program as you wouldn't wish to sell spammy products. Bonus methods: if you have enough knowledge about the blockchain world, you can make money by writing sponsored posts on the most coveted cryptocurrency blogging platform, the Bitcoin Talk Forum. There are other platforms too, where you can show off your Bitcoin skills and earn Bitcoin. Also, if you are ready to invest in computational power, you can become a master node and power Bitcoin blockchain. Think of this as a server that is always on and helps the network run. You can make an impressive amount of money by being a master node. So is it worth investing in Bitcoin? The profitability of any investment is gauged by its usefulness in the real world. Ask yourself, is Bitcoin useful? Does it solve a real-world problem? Has it disrupted the current outdated solutions? Well, the single answer to all such questions is a resounding yes. Bitcoin changed the financial ecosystem by introducing a decentralized, secure, and fast medium of exchange. Just as the internet brought a revolution in the way we use technology, similarly, Bitcoin is revolutionizing the financial space. Bitcoin is not a pop and drop technology, it is here to dominate the world. There is no denying that it is extremely volatile. However, its usage has only increased since its launch in 2009. So, is it worth putting your hard-earned dollars into Bitcoin? If you strategically invest in Bitcoin, yes, it is worth it. If you are a smart investor who will not shy away from doing extensive research, Bitcoin investment is still lucrative for you. Some people have witnessed huge losses in Bitcoin investments, and some earned millions in Bitcoin. It's up to you to decide which category you want to fall into. The latter, right? If you want to be sure-footed in this unprecedented world of Bitcoins, follow these basic pointers. Do your research. Analyze the market. Do not put all your eggs in one basket. Measure the risks and choose the method that appeals to you the most. Do not follow the noise. Always take expert advice. To sum it up, Bitcoin is worth your time and investment. However, it would be best if you were extra careful as you are venturing into a highly volatile space. Now that we understand how to make some extra cash, the next default question is, how much can you make? Let's answer it straight away. Yes, you can earn a lot of money with BTC. However, the more you want to make, the more you have to risk. As discussed above, there is a whole spectrum of Bitcoin earning. You can start small with micro earnings and advance towards high income by trading, investing, lending, etc. There is no one fit for all method to earn dollars in the Bitcoin world. You have to glance through every method and opt for the one that you feel, obviously after extensive research, is the most lucrative. Or if you want to take advice from this post, you can diversify your investments. Bitcoin investments are indeed volatile, however, the chances of every investment taking a steep dive simultaneously are impossible. Also, there is no formula to be a Bitcoin millionaire overnight. You have to be patient with your investments. Yes, you can make a lot of money if you invest in the right avenues while diversifying your investments. Final thoughts: even after a decade of its launch and the fact that it isn't new, Bitcoin remains a potential investment. You can make money with Bitcoin through various avenues, including trading, investing, mining, affiliate programs, micro earnings, and many more. The amount of money that you will take home with Bitcoin depends on the method you choose and the amount you risk. It is always advised to do your research before you pour your investments into Bitcoin. Bitcoin is volatile, its value can increase or decrease within hours. Considering this in mind, finding the best buy price is difficult. Also, these fluctuations can hamper your trade. Imagine you sold some Bitcoins just to know the price of Bitcoin increased the next minute. And talking about your investments, you will waste enough time hopping between different exchanges to locate different investments. ZipMex effectively solves all these issues under one roof. You will find the lowest buy price on ZipMex. Also, you can complete trades at lightning speeds. To be more accurate, you can buy and sell Bitcoins quickly. Yes, you heard it right. That brings us to the end of this video. Please like, subscribe and comment below if this video helps you.